PS5 update download stuck. Fix download freeze. There is nothing more frustrating than waiting for a big update, only to see it stuck at 99% or frozen completely. You just want to play, but your PS5 is giving you a headache. I get it. But don't worry, you do not need to send your console in for repair. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix this yourself at home. If you face any difficulty, leave a comment below. I will personally reply within 1 hour. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more fixes like this. Step 1. Restart your console. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power, then select Restart. A fresh start often clears minor glitches. Step 2. Test your internet. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Connection Status, then select Test Internet Connection. Use a wired LAN cable if possible for better stability. Step 3. Pause and resume. Go to the Control Center, then go to Downloads and Uploads, then select Pause and then Resume. This can kickstart a stalled download. Step 4. Delete and retry. If it is still stuck, select the update and choose Delete. Then, start the download again from the System menu. This clears corrupted temporary files. Step 5. Check your storage. Go to Settings, then go to Storage. Make sure you have at least 50 gigabytes of free space. Updates often need extra room to unpack. Step 6. Change your DNS. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Settings, then select Set up Internet Connection. Choose your network, select Advanced Settings, and change DNS to Manual. Set primary to 8.8.8.8 and secondary to 8.8.4.4. Step 7. Rebuild the database. Turn off your PS5 completely. Hold the power button for 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller with a USB cable and select Option 5, Rebuild Database. This fixes deeper system errors. Step 8. Manual update. If nothing works, download the update file from the PlayStation website to a USB drive formatted as exFAT. Plug it into your PS5 and select Option 3 in Safe Mode, Update System Software. This is the ultimate fix. One of these steps will definitely get your PS5 back in action. Stay calm, follow the steps, and you will be gaming again in no time. Good luck.